Assalamu alaikum. Greetings of our youth, inshallah. All the sons and daughters who can listen to this and who might be able to share it with somebody who really needs to listen to this. It's about you and your parents. It's about how you actually understand and put yourself into their shoes, which you can't always because you're not in that shape and form and the stage of life. However, I would really highly encourage you and request you to actually put yourself into their space and understand what they do is something with very important reasons and something that is very, very important for your life. To you, sometimes when they say something or they restrict you from doing something or they restrict you from going somewhere or elsewhere, you see, guys, you see this as a suppression of your freedom. To them, it's about protecting the safety, the security, and the mental, emotional, physical well-being of their children. Because they have a job description given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they're just doing their job. They make mistakes, yes, because no human being is perfect. There was only one perfect human being, flawless human being on earth that was sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam as the last prophet that was sent to earth. He was the only perfect human being. Other than that, everybody has flaws. Everybody has mistakes. Everybody learns as they go. So the parents are born when you are born. So they learn as they go. They do things to the best of their ability, the best of their knowledge, the best of their experience, observation, wisdom, and all that. But the one thing that is very important at the forefront of their mind is your well-being, your best interest in life here and hereafter. Right, so try and understand their perspective and try and understand and respect their wisdom as well. Right, this society, this system, the environment around you, and this environment, me, myself, and I kind of approach is teaching you to only and only talk about yourself and talk about you focus on yourself and all that, even disrespecting your parents, even confronting your parents, the two people who are living their life just to nurture you, just to secure you, just to safeguard you, just to do everything best possible for you, become the enemy in front of you sometimes. So please try and understand that these two people called mom and dad, mother and father are not the enemies here. It's the system that is teaching you, is the environment, the self-centered environment that is teaching you that you, regardless of what you do, are always the right, and anything that goes against that is suppressing your freedom, suppressing your liberty, suppressing your self ability and all that. Guys, these are not the enemies. Try and understand. These are your parents and they are doing everything possible in their capacity to actually help you become the best of you for this dunya and akhirah. So please try and understand, open the communication lines with your parents. Don't just say, okay, you know what? I don't know. What are you doing? I don't know. How you're feeling? I don't know. Maybe, yeah. Do not have this kind of conversation. If they're talking at you, try to have a conversation with them by talking with them. Right? So just think about it the other way around sometimes, and it's going to inshallah improve the communication between you and reduce the negativity between you and your parents. Because as a youth mentor, I see a lot of disappointment, a lot of mistrust, and the mistake always lies on the adults. Yes, I agree. However, you need to do your part too. If mashallah, our youth is so sensible, smart, intellectually established, and well, understand the realities today, I would like you to request to actually look into that and all. You guys, see, it's really, really easy to be nice, kind, and to the best of your presentation and to the best of your manners to the people outside your house. Because you want to look good in front of other people. It's the hardest to actually be nice, kind, supportive, and receptive to the people who are closest to you. And this is where the sawab lies. This is where the hasanat lies. This is where the good deed points lie. If you're kind to your own parents, if you're kind to your own siblings and the closest ones of you, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you immensely. Because it's very important to actually be kind to your parents, and disobedience of your parents is considered as one of the 7 major sins. Don't do that. Because if they're working hard to make your dunya and akhirah the best possible, you need to do your part too. I know you're younger than them. You need to also accept and appreciate the fact that they're doing everything, even with mistakes, just for you. Okay, may Allah be pleased with you, may Allah guide you, and may Allah guide your parents and build the best possible